This is MyoPet, an interactive learning robot designed for smart and engaging education. Once power on, MyoPet enter alphabet learning mode. Hand movement is detected by the sensor, changing alphabet on the display. Each alphabet is spoken aloud, enabling visual and audio learning.
Hello, I am your learning companion, MyoPet. Alphabet mode activated. Wave your hand in front of me. The letters will change. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog.
Using the mode button, MyoPet switch to color detection mode. It detects real-world color, display them on the screen, and announce them through audio. For select color, MyoPet also play a short poem or story.
Color detection mode activated. Move any colorful object in front of me, and I'll tell you a story or a poem. Wow! It's red! Red color! Yay! Yay! I see green! So cool! Hooray! Story time. Once upon a time, there was a thirsty crow. He searched for water everywhere, but he couldn't find it. Soon, he found a pot. There was some water in the pot. When the crow tried to drink water from pot, he couldn't reach it. Then he found little rocks around the pot. He started to throw those little rocks in the pot until water level increased enough. Then he drank the water and flew away.
In emoji and emotion mode, MyoPet respond to motion. Titling the robot display different emojis with matching audio, demonstrating emotional interaction. MyoPet also monitor environmental temperature. When the temperature crosses a safe limit, a buzzer alert trigger, introducing safety awareness.
Show current temperature and alert if unsafe.
Overall, MyoPet transforms gesture, color, motion, and temperature into meaningful learning experience. Thank you.